For those of you who chew gum, you can come fish with us anytime because you're a necessary thing. That's it, right there. He likes it so much he wants to eat it again. What's up, everybody? This is Real Cool Adventures. Today we're going to show you how to catch large exotic fish for your fish tank or your pond on gum. Just that easy. Take a piece of gum like this, you put it on your hook, and you can catch almost any exotic fish that's in any of these canals, ditches, or rivers, or ponds. All right, so we're going to take this hook right here, and we'll make sure your gum's chewed up.
What kind of gum?
Anything with some type of grape flavor. Lauren, what type of gum is that? Will you show me?
We are using ice cubes. Arctic grape.
Arctic grape. I've tried this with spearmint gum and mint flavored gum, and it doesn't do as well. But anything with that grape flavor, that's all you do. So let's say you forgot your bait or the bait store is closed. All you do is take a piece of gum like that. We're going to show you what you can catch on right now. Here we go.
Oh, I see him.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I bit it off. I bit it off.
Okay. I'll get some more gum. Look, he bit it off. We're going back right now. So what we're doing is basically sight fishing. We just walked up and we saw a couple of fish down here in a bed. We're not sure exactly what they are. Look like some type of exotic fish. And we're just gonna drop a piece of gum down and see what we can catch. And then we're gonna go home and put them in our fish tank because we're getting ready to build a giant monster pond in the yard. And we really don't like to buy fish from the pet store. We'd rather just come out here and catch them because they're so abundant. So, want to see what we can catch? Let's do it now. Drop that little gum minnow down there. So, we spotted one down there. She's gonna take that gum.
Just looking around for anything that might be on the edge of the weeds or over here. Ooh, I see a big something down there.
Oh, he's getting ready to look at it. I see a different one came in.
I got something.
You really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
I got bottom.
I got bluegill.
All right, so I'm readjusting it, trying to make it look like a gum minnow. Just like that. New fresh piece of gum, we're gonna stick it down there and see what you can get. Try that, Lauren. See how that works. I used to use Hubba Bubba. What the heck was that? Something big. Looked like a Mayan cichlid. If you catch a Mayan cichlid on that thing, I'm gonna eat it. It's not going in the tank. I really want that crown, whatever it's called. Don't catch that bluegill, please. You got him.
Oh, I got him.
You got him. Don't horse him in. Don't listen. Don't horse him in. Oh my God. Bring him around the. You're gonna have to bring him around the side of the dock. Oh, that's a good one. Holy crap. Oh. Nice job. Nice job. Let me get a dip net.
Oh gosh. That's a good one right there. I'm gonna bring him over to you.
Yep.
Don't miss
bring him to me.
Yes!
Woo!
Yes!
We got him. I'm gonna keep him alive here.
That's awesome.
Now we're gonna go put him in the fish tank. All right, so we got him. Now we're gonna put him on the water, and we're gonna go home, put him in the fish tank, and we're gonna put him in this giant pond that we're building. Put that on the calendar. That's fish number 1, exotic fish number 1 going in the pond.
Yes.
Nice job.
That's cool.
You. And another thing about these fish, when you're catching exotic fish in the canals like this, you don't buy them from the store, they are super tough. If you were to buy that fish at a fish store and put it in here out in this hot sun, it'd be really weak. But these fish have acclimated to this environment. They're tough. They've made it through all the trials and errors. They've been chased, almost eaten, beat up, drugged down the street, thrown back in the canal again. And that's why, I mean, look how tough that thing is. It's like he's meant to be in our fish tank. Now, here's another thing. How many of you out there think we should eat them? Because I don't know what they taste like. I haven't seen any videos on eating them. Give us a thumbs up. If you think we should try this to see how they taste, these exotic, I don't even know, it's a type of cichlid. What is it called?
I think it's a flowerhorn.
Flowerhorn, this exotic flowerhorn cichlid. If you think we should eat it and we get enough thumbs up, we'll take it back out of the tank and eat it. But as for now, we're gonna go home and stick them in the tank, let them acclimate, and then we're gonna end up putting them in our pond at home. And that's how you catch fish on chewing gum, right there. All right, so that is how you catch exotic aquarium fish on bubblegum right there. It's that easy. If you have a friend that likes to chew gum, maybe stick it underneath their desk or a chair, I highly advise you bring your friend fishing and you stick it on a hook, because that is what you catch right there. And if you think that's cool, if you think we should eat it, with everything going on right now, we might end up eating it. But if you think we should build a giant pond in the backyard and put all this exotic stuff we're catching in that, give us a thumbs up and we'll do that instead of eating it. If you want to save this fish's life, give us a thumbs up and we'll build a giant aquarium in the backyard and put all this stuff in it. So what we did right now is we let the fish, he's pretty. We let him acclimate, and now that he's the same temperature, we're going to go ahead and let him go in here. And he might look pretty to you, but to me he looks delicious. Looks like a giant bluegill almost. What's that called, Blair?
I think it's called a flowerhorn.
Yeah. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed it. That's how you catch fish on gum, any type of gum. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notifications on for upcoming events, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Yeah, and you're supposed to just stick your heads out on the side, like Mike is, like your dad is.
Like you're looking at it? Is the gum in a good spot?
A little bit closer, behind it.
Is the gum in a good spot?
Great. Here, Mike, stick your head on the other side too. So it's just so your head's like this. Perfect. Mike, your head a little closer. Right there. Turn your head a little to the left. A little to the left, right there. Perfect.
Yes! Sorry. I'm excited, we got it.
Smile, smile.
I'm excited.
All right, cool.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at that thing. A couple days ago it was purple. Now, he or she or whatever it is orange. How cool is that?